Hi everybody! Today I want to show you how to install a specific version of Angular. Maybe you're using a library which doesn't support the latest Angular, or you have another project which is on all of Angular and you want to have unified on all of your platforms. So whatever the reason is, let me show you how to do that quickly. Let's start. Okay, first we want to install Node project where we can install whatever version of Angular CLI we can. So we do that by running the command npm init y. Okay, so this has been generated our package file, so we can install the older version of Angular CLI. We can do that with command npm I Angular CLI, and let's try to install version 6.0.1. Yes. Okay, now it's done with installing Angular CLI. We can install the whatever version of, in this case, we need to install the Angular version of 6 because the Angular CLI is version 6. So we do that by running the command ng new Angular, or let's just call it all Angular application. Okay, now when it's finally done installing the old Angular application, we should change the directory cd old Angular, and we should try to run this application ng serve. It tells us that the global Angular CLI version is greater than our local version, which we want actually. The local is 6. Okay, we have an error with RxJS library. Because you're installing the older version, sometimes you may run into issues with some of the packages. How we can resolve this? We can try to enforce the RxJS to install the specific version. Now let's do that. So let me remove the caret and let me start the 6th version of RxJS. npm RxJS. Okay, it has installed RxJS. Let me try run again. ng serve. Okay, now it's compiled successfully. Let us test that in the browser. Localhost 4200, and there you go. Welcome to successfully installed version 6. And if we go to our application and we check the package file, you can see that the Angular version is 6. And that's it. As you can see, it's really easy to install whatever version of Angular you want. You just need to install a specific version of Angular CLI and you're good to go. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, as more content and more tutorials are coming. Also, you can follow me on other social medias like LinkedIn and Twitter, where I post daily different tips, especially on front end. And you can reach out directly to discuss whatever topic you want. Until the next time, see ya.